Hello everyone, I'm Faral Imran and today I'll be showing you the topic that I'll be explaining is called Claude 3.5 Sonnet, which has been introduced by Anthropic. So just some hours ago, maybe 20 hours ago or 22 hours ago, Claude 3.5 Sonnet was introduced or published. I'll show you everything about it and you can also try it here by clicking on this button. You can try it and then I'll also tell you whether it beats ChatGPT 4.0 or not. So that all I'll be telling you about in this video. So stay tuned so that you don't miss any information regarding it. So let's get started. When I scroll down below, so here you can see that they say that it's the Claude 3.5 model family, in which it is Claude 3.5 Sonnet. It raises the industry bar for intelligence, means it is intelligent and it is outperforming competitor models. And Claude 3 Opus on a wide range of evaluations. So, with the speed and cost of the mid-tier model, which is Claude 3 Sonnet. So, here you can see one more good thing about Claude 3.5 Sonnet is that it is free to use, means you can use it for free, and even you can use the Claude iOS app. So, but the Pro and Team plan subscribers, they can access it with higher rate limits. So here it is also available via the Anthropic API, Amazon Bedrock, and Google Cloud's Vertex AI. So here also they are available. But here they say the model costs $3 per million input tokens and $15 per million output tokens with a 200K token context window. So here in the terms of intelligence and cost, you see here like it is in the middle. So like intelligence, it is like the most intelligent one, and according to the cost, it is in the middle. So it's less than, the cost is less than Claude 3 Opus and more than Claude 3 Haiku. So the intelligence is 2x the speed. Claude 3.5 Sonnet also sets the new industry benchmarks for graduate level reasoning, means GPQA, undergraduate level knowledge also MMLU, and coding proficiency, means it also won the benchmark, means against different benchmarks it was tested, and you can see it how it was compared to others such as GPT 4.0, Gemini 1.5 Pro, and Llama 400B. This is the early snapshot. So here you can have a look at it, and here it says like according to the evaluation, Claude 3.5 Sonnet solves 64% of problems, outperforming Claude 3 Opus, which solved 38%. So here it says the Claude 3.5 Sonnet, it solved 64% of problems, and while Claude 3 Opus solved 38% of the problems. And they also said they test the model's ability to fix a bug or add functionality to an open source code base. Like given a natural language description of the design improvement, means the description that was given, it was in a natural language, means the normal English language was given. And when the instructions were given and provided with the relevant tools, Claude 3.5 Sonnet can independently write, edit, and execute code with sophisticated reasoning and troubleshooting capabilities. It also handles code translations with ease, making it particularly effective for updating legacy applications and migrating code bases. So here it says the Claude 3.5 Sonnets also handles code translations with ease, means it can easily translate code. So that's why it is effective for updating legacy applications. And here, according to the benchmark, you can see this is the graduate level reasoning, because the graduate level reasoning, GPQA and Diamond, it's a name of the benchmark. So here they say Claude 3.5 Sonnet, it won by 59.4%, whereas GPT 4.0 is 53.6%. And here also you can see the Claude 3 Opus is 50.4%. And the undergraduate level knowledge MMLU, here in the zero shot it was 88.3%, and Claude 3 was 85.7%, and here GPT-4o was 88.71. Here it lost to GPT-4o in the zero shot, but here it won to GPT-4o. But it was same, not one, it was same kind of. And here you can see the code human evaluation, in which this one, the Claude 3.5 Sonnet and GPT-4o was the same, whereas Claude 3.5 was better than the rest. And in multilingual math, it was 91.6%. It won, like the ChatGPT 4o lost here, and the others also lost. So reasoning over text, it was 87.1%, and here it was 83.4, and the rest also were less. So here also it won. So here, how many times it won? It was like this was the first time, this one, not that one, second time, the third time, the fourth time, and the fifth time also it won. And in the grade school math, it won from ChatGPT. So it won. So that's why here it says it has beaten GPT 4o in many ways, in many benchmarks such as graduate level reasoning, the undergraduate, the code human evaluation, multilingual math, reasoning over text, mixed evaluation. But in math problem solving, it lost from ChatGPT, GPT 4o. So here, that's why it says that. um Claude 3.5 Sonnet beats GPT-4o because of the benchmarks you can see. Like in most of the cases, it has beaten GPT-4o. And here you can see there's some state of the art vision. You can have a look at the video in which they say this they are strongest vision model yet. Okay, here you can use images, means it can give the reasoning from the, it can extract the text from the images. It can also, for example, there is a picture and it can give the recipe according to it. So here, this is the video, you can have a look at it. In some more things, it has beaten GPT, such as the visual math reasoning. So it is 67.7%, and whereas GPT-4o is 63.8%. In science diagrams, it is 94.7%, means it is 0.5% better than GPT-4o. But in visual question answering, ChatGPT-4o has won this one. And in short Q&A, it's 90.8%, which is better than GPT-4o. As you can see, it is 85.7%. In document visual Q&A, it's 95.2%, which is better than GPT-4o. So here also you can see in some more things, Claude 3.5 Sonnet has beaten GPT-4o. There's also artifacts, which is a new way to use Claude. Means there is artifacts on Claude AI, which is a feature that expands how user can interact with Claude. Means, for example, it is a new feature which is expanding or expands how user can interact with Claude. When user asks Claude to generate content like code snippets, text documents, or website design, these artifacts appear in a dedicated window alongside their conversation. Now, this creates a dynamic workspace where they can see, edit, and build upon Claude's creations in real time, seamlessly integrating AI generated content into their products and workflows. So, here they're saying that these artifacts will appear in a dedicated window alongside their conversation, in which there will be a workspace also where they can see, edit, and build upon the Claude's creation in real time. So, here there's also video, you can have a look on it. So here you can see these are the artifacts, and he say that can you create an 8-bit style crab for me? Okay, so there's a code. Then after that, it made the crab, the 8-bit crab, and then they say can you make some seashells in the same style? Okay, after that it started because there's a window to it so that you can have a look at all the things. This artifact. So this is a new thing. Okay, commitment to safety and privacy. So here you can see there's trained and tested to reduce the misuse. And here they say they're also coming soon in terms of they're also improving the curve between the intelligence, speed, and cost every few months. And also they'll be releasing the Claude 3.5 Haiku and Claude 3.5 Opus later this year. So that is all from my side. Thank you so much.